This is pure madness. In its history today, the Shiba Inu price confronted the most crucial stage. Shhytoshi Kusama is working really hard. Shiba Inu count above 4 trillion. Not a joke here is this. As we are approaching the parabolic cycle, the issue is gradually spiraling out of hand. As it may be the final opportunity, everyone is sending alerts. Still, what's going on? And why am I this thrilled? Allow me to clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Shiba Inu has lately shown some fascinating variations in trade activity and whale migrations. Data from Into the Block shows that major indication of what huge shareholders, or whales, are doing. Large transaction volumes have plummeted by 20%. That is a big drop, minus $121 million, or approximately 5 trillion Shiba Inu. Inside the Shiba Inu community, this change has generated conflicting feelings. Many had expected the momentum to keep developing after the recent market explosion and consistent Shiba Inu growth. Some are seeing the decline as a natural stop, maybe indicating that whales are waiting for the next significant movement. Others, on the other hand, are a little concerned about whether this slowing down may influence the upward trend of the token. And now Lucy, a committed Shiba Inu team player, intervened with a dire warning. It's not about your hitting power. It's about how hard you can be struck and remain ahead. How much you can grab and carry on ahead. Winning is done like this. Her remarks really connected with the society, as they reminded everyone of the tenacity required to negotiate the erratic world of cryptocurrencies. Her ideology emphasizes the need of tenacity even under difficult circumstances. Celebrating the highs is just one aspect, another is surviving and growing from the lows. For the Shiba Inu society, this message serves more than just inspiration. It's a request to concentrate on the long-term project vision rather than transient fluctuations on the wider picture. Many are finding strength in this, gathering once again with a fresh feeling of togetherness and purpose to demonstrate that the Shiba Inu community's spirit is still unwavering. The thrill doesn't stop, however. Not only was Lucy delivering a crucial message lately, lead developer Shytoshi Kusama for Shiba Inu also broke with convention with a fresh post. For members of the community, this is really important. Shytoshi seldom publishes unless for very important events. His choice to speak up gives the situation more weight. It suggests that something vital might be developing within the Shiba Inu environment, a turning point that would rewrite the story. For supporters and investors, it is not just another day. It reminds us to pay great attention and be ready for the future. Shytoshi's timing implies that the community may sense the excitement growing as whatever is going behind the scenes seems to be really crucial. What therefore constitutes the urgency? Following the decline in whale activity and pricing, kindly visit shitoshikusama.com. The typical wave of FUD began to rise. FUD dev went Shiba instead of others. Shiba, meanwhile, this was in reaction to a tweet identifying Shiba Inu as the second highest performing cryptocurrency with a 150% in 2024 return, only behind Dogecoin at 310%. Shytoshi highlighted a crucial viewpoint while also addressing the worries of the community in this entertaining piece. He was gently advising, look at the bigger picture and back off. While some highlight the current developments, Shiba Inu's overall achievement this year is really outstanding. His message exhorts people to observe how far the enterprise has progressed rather than wallowing in short-term fluctuations. Here's where it becomes much more fascinating, however. As said, Shytoshi does not publish haphazardly. By Shiba Inu's standards, the current price reduction is not really that spectacular. It has seen far more significant historical crashes. Still, something about today brought Shytoshi in. Why nowadays? It strongly suggests that behind the scenes something significant is in progress. This date implies that Shiba Inu is in a crucial junction and that the DEV team is trying hard to maintain consistency. Lucy's inspirational speech, Shytoshi's funny but pointed post, and the synchronized attempt to calm the community testify to more than just what first seems to be involved. It's difficult not to conjecture that a major overhaul or alliance may be forthcoming. Usually, this degree of comfort from the DUVs indicates that they wish to keep the society stable, as major news might be just around the horizon. If such is true, it clarifies their necessity. Shiba Inu is at the forefront, and right now worry is not justified. To ride this moment and be prepared for what is ahead, the community must be strong and cohesive. And as we pan out to see the larger crypto scene, this all begins to make even more logical. According to a recent Twitter tweet, the bull market advancement in Bitcoin is 50%. In the parabolic phase, progress will quicken. And this is really large. It's a clear sign that we are midway through a bull market rather than just in one. And from here, the period of parabolism, the time when prices could soar at a ridiculous rate. Since this is the time the market usually shows its largest and most spectacular gains, crypto traders wait years for. This marks a flurry of activity in the whole crypto ecosystem as more individuals enter the market and drive prices higher. Not just about Bitcoin either. Usually dragging the whole crypto market with it, Bitcoin's parabolic phase creates great chances for alternative currencies like Shiba Inu to flourish. This explains the reason the Shiba Inu crew is working so hard right now to stabilize the ship. Should a parabolic phase encircle a corner, it marks a turning point. The emphasis is not just on getting through the day, but also on orienting Shiba Inu to ride this enormous momentum tsunami. The dev team obviously understands that missing out on this vital time might mean losing a great chance for expansion. For the community, this is a warning to be strong and to have a view on the long run. Not a single voice verifying this change. Something amazing might be right around the horizon. A well-known Twitter user posted, "We're nearing the market phase when you can start yearning things while it hasn't ran yet, and finally it most likely will as long as it runs in line with the existing meta." Burning stories. As you guys recall, the previous bull run produced precisely this. This is the period in which merely because the marketplace is so hot, even initiatives that haven't yet taken off start gathering steam. This is when everything seems heated and the possibility for large rewards spreads across everything. Being in the crypto realm is an almost surreal, chaotic period. For those who recall the last bull run, this reminds me of déjà vu. The enthusiasm, the hope, the anything can happen atmosphere. All of this is once again here. Being in the market right now is wild and fascinating. It reminds us that these are rare events that, when they do occur, have game-changing effect. This might be the start of something very big for Shiba Inu and the whole crypto industry, and even Lucy has stepped in with another post fueling the frenzy. She stated Jim Cramer could unintentionally start alt season, but by the end of 2025 Bitcoin will have achieved $150,000 or more. Right now, everything seems to be manipulation. The working middle class, grinding every day, hasn't yet joined the market. They will soon discover that their hard-earned funds are safer in cryptocurrency than they would be sitting in a bank. This closely relates to the patterns we have witnessed previously. Recent weeks have seen Bitcoin on a tear, dragging the whole market along with it. But now the cycle changes as Bitcoin's expansion slows down and steadies itself. As one Twitter user noted, the steady decline in Bitcoin indicates the transfer of money into other cryptocurrencies. This is the traditional beginning of alternative season. Money starts flowing from Bitcoin to altcoins, sparking enthusiasm in initiatives like Shiba Inu. This might help to understand Shytoshi's decision to break his quiet today. Should Shiba Inu fall right now, it would lose its opportunity to grab the momentum gathering in the cryptocurrency market. Shytoshi's post's timeliness points to his knowing of exactly how important this event is. It goes beyond merely easing brief anxiety. It's about making sure Shiba Inu is prepared to ride this next cycle phase. Should alt season start, this may be Shiba Inu's defining time to shine. The squad understands it is too vital to let the chance pass by. Furthermore, as one Twitter user noted, many overlook the fact that the currencies on the large centralized exchanges pump the hardest. These interactions follow the least resistance route. The currency of centralized exchanges shine above on-chain in a real retail alt season. Change. And Shiba Inu shines precisely in this area. Although a lot of new initiatives have just started, Shiba Inu has something very vital that many of them lack: a really substantial community and significant listings on centralized markets. Shiba Inu has a great edge this way, particularly in an altcoin season driven by retail. Most retail investors acquire and trade cryptocurrencies via centralized exchanges. Hence, coins listed on them are the most easily available. Already on the major markets, Shiba Inu is a go-to choice for new investors wishing to get in. Shiba Inu is thus in a great state to witness significant expansion in an alt season, as its presence on main exchanges guarantees it maximum awareness and access. Other initiatives could be attracting interest, but they just lack the same degree of community support or exchange listings Shiba Inu employs. Shiba Inu has a strong edge. This makes it ideal to perform remarkably when the market moves into the following phase. On this, however, what is your view? Write down below. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.